My name is Rob Sorm. I'm Associate Dean for Undergraduate Programs. I'm also Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering and the Faculty Advisor for Formula SAE. This project takes us about 9 months from beginning to completion. The first 3-4 months are where students are really learning the background, designing it, and working primarily behind computers to come up with their optimized design. We move into the manufacturing phase at that point. All the students are in either the machine shop or down in the lab making parts. They get their hands dirty and are really going after it to learn what it takes to design and manufacture mechanical engineering elements.
Designing the parts and machining the parts is definitely a great feeling. I am the suspension team leader. I have designed the anti-roll system and the shock and spring system and the belt crank system. When you are sitting there machining a part that you have actually designed, you know deep down in yourself that I have done this thing and I have created this piece of the car that will do this job.
Try to make sure it doesn't go too far over the line.
Seniors are taking this class for credit. It is their capstone design, so they have a 3-hour design class in the fall and then a 3-hour manufacturing and test class in the spring. Every year I have significant volunteers. We wouldn't be successful if we didn't. We have different engineers involved with it, from mechanical engineers to electrical engineers to aerospace engineers. Different backgrounds, different ideas to come up with the best project.
I've always been interested in cars. My dad's a mechanic. I've always been interested in the shop. And so this was kind of something that I wanted to do ever since I found out about the Formula team. Usually chemical engineers don't end up working with the mechanical senior design projects, especially the one where you build a formula car. But it's just a learning experience. You kind of take it step by step, and it's really frustrating at first, but these are things I wouldn't even have exposure to if I didn't go outside my major and try to get this extra experience. The same with the machining of the parts. We don't even know that there's a machine shop downstairs. And so that was kind of the first, like, wow, this is really neat. And then actually learning how to operate these machines and make these very precise parts was really cool to learn.
It really has been a great team. I mean, everybody is always willing to, take a little time and help somebody else out, and especially now that we're making parts. Everybody's willing to make everybody else's parts. I mean, obviously you want to get your parts done first so that you don't miss your own deadlines. The competition's the end of May, and we could just say the car needs to be built by then, but I mean, you really have to do it in stages.
And since we're seeing this project from the very beginning, the design stages, all the way through to competition, you have to take each step seriously because it affects the next one.
Everybody wants to get the car done. I mean, everybody's really looking forward to it. We want to make it our own. We want to make the best thing we've ever seen.